Hi guys, today let's discuss this Sachi, the price action, and other questions from the community. Let's discuss. Then again, this video is a global discussion. You can turn on the closed captions and then you can go to settings and then update your preferred language. So right now, let's have a look on the Sachi USDT price action. So 4 hours time frame. Good thing dito guys is that meron siyang chart, no. Ma-observe natin dito yung price action and meron tayo dito mga nakikita na patterns. Again, itong ating video is just an ideas lang, no. Especially, ang dami kasing nagtatanong dito and we just give some examples lang dito, a demo just to answer your questions. Also to share yung pinaka-experience ko guys. Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights lang dito, especially sa mga nagtatanong, no. So ngayon, up by 30% itong si Sachi nga, no. So 3.41 market cap as of now. Meron siyang liquidity dito na available. Holders niya 17.76k. And sa 4 hours time frame, we can check 15 minutes time frame. So this is the chart of 15 minutes time frame. Sa early time frame guys, we can observe dito ng support, no, na kung saan around this zone, ayan, tinatamaan ng price action and then nagre-react dito yung price action niya. We can also add ng indicators dito, like for example, EMA and moving average, exponential. Ayan, and then let's update lang settings to 50. Okay. So as per observation dito guys, no, ito yung inad natin na EMA. So nagkaroon siya dito ng crossover sa price action, tapos nagre-react na dito yung EMA acting as support, no, itong zone na ito. Pero unang confirmation kasi na nakita natin dito is that yung support area niya na kung saan within this zone, no. Ayan, no. So after that retest price, go to the upside. But then again guys, no, itong si Sachi is that we can consider yung mga resistance, like for example this one. So yan yung isa sa mga resistance which is retested na kanina. So as of recording this video, ayan, no, na-retest na. And then the price retrace right now. Maybe we can observe dito ng corrective dahil ito is ni-retest. Kailangan niyang basagin kasi ito para mapuntahan niya ulit yung next resistance level niya dito, which is this zone. Ayan, no, yan yung pinaka previous highs niya. So kailangan niya munang basagin yung initial resistance niya dito, which is itong zone na ito, 0.004 something. If ever man na mabasag yan, magiging support yan, no. And next target niya dito na resistance is that probability itong zone na ito, no. Pero we can measure dito ng Fib retracements. Like for example, ayan, 0.618 yung resistance na kasunod. Ayan, if ever man na magkaroon pa ito ng pag-angat ng presyo, no. So right now we can see a retest dito. If ever na ma-reject, there's a probability na bumalik ulit siya dito sa zone na ito. Ito yung support guys, no. If ever kasi na mabasag itong support sa downside, malalim na yung pinaka next support niya dito, yung previous resistance. Yan na yung magiging support level niya. So if ever na magkaroon ng breakdown dito sa support na ito. Pero well, see guys, no, EMA, yan din yung unang validation natin. If ever na magkaroon ng breakdown just like what happened dito, pwedeng mas bumagsak pa siya guys at bumalik dito, no, for the validation itong ating EMA. So yun, you can check itong price action ni Sachi dito sa pinaka chart niya, makikita na dito. And you can set limit order din pala dito guys, no. Like for example, gusto mong ibenta dito and pwede mo siyang iset, no. Punta ka lang dito sa may limit and then enable smart account lang. Enable mo lang siya dito and i-confirm, and that's the time na magkakaroon ka dito ng option to limit order guys, no. Lalagay mo lang dito yung pinaka presyo. Like for example, ibebenta mo siya ng 0.004. Ayan, so ayan, makikita mo na siya kung saan mo siya maibebenta. And then you can set or place limit order, no. So yan yung pinaka features dito. You can also less yung trading fees. Like, punta ka lang dito sa may referral tab dito sa taas. And then, enter mo lang yung pinaka-code, no? Ayan, no? So, Crypto Fortune, lagay mo lang for 10% off dito sa trading fees, no? So, you can just add naman yan dito under the referral, no? So, add mo lang and then meron ka lang i-confirm and ma-apply na yung 10% off dito, no? So, yun. You can just check as well dito sa market. Like, meron din ditong search. So, may mga tags yung original Sachi, no? Ayan, no? So, meron siyang mga tags dito. You can check the price action and lalabas na itong chart niya, no? So, you can also update the price or the market cap. Ayan. So, based from market cap, makikita mo dito yung market cap option. If price, you can also select, no? Ayan. So, mag-update yung price and yung unit or quotation niya dito. So, yun guys. Hope you get some insights dito. Update sa mga nagtatanong. I just share some balance insights lang dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.